It's easy to doubt your inherent creativity, especially when life is busy or you're feeling burned out. I remember feeling completely stuck trying to write a commissioned song for a client's wedding. My inner critic kept telling me my musical style wasn't going to be feasible. I was completely blocked. But I leaned on my creative exploration formula, a simple roadmap I use for myself and my clients. I let go of expectations. I even gave myself permission to write the worst song possible. And as soon as I did, the words and music just burst forth easily. This is just one of the tools I share in my creative empowerment coaching program, helping you address your energy, overcome blocks, reconnect with your inherent creative voice, and move forward with clarity and confidence. If you're ready to rebuild trust in your inherent creativity and explore it without pressure, let's work together. Get started here, yourcreativechord.com/work with me.